Hello everyone, and welcome to Do-It-Yourself Gifts that we are proudly to present again this year for you. Tonight I'll be making a brown sugar scrub with an amazing smell, perfect for the holidays. So a few things that I have already gathered and kind of measured everything out just to give you an idea of what goes in it. I've got some brown sugar here, I've got some vanilla, I have some nutmeg, I have some allspice, and then I have, of course, my oils, which tonight I'll be using ginger, I'll be using vanilla, and I'll be using cinnamon. So you'll get a really nice, like, gingerbread smell out of it. All right, to get started, we will take the brown sugar that I've already measured out here. It's 3/4 of a cup, and you'll get all the recipes, so you don't feel like you have to write these down now. We'll have a nice little ebook for you that will have all these recipes in it. But we start off with 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. To that, we're going to add fractionated coconut oil, which you can use other oils like jojoba or sweet almond, whatever you prefer. Just make sure if you use the fractionated coconut oil that you don't get the solidified coconut oil. It needs to be the liquefied coconut oil for this mixture. Otherwise, it'll kind of harden up and won't give quite the same effect with the scrub. So we just put that in there. And then we'll add in our nutmeg. We'll add in our cinnamon, and then we need a 1/2 teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This is 1/2 teaspoon, so I'll measure it out twice. 1, 2, and then for the most important part, our oils. So I'm going to put 5 of ginger, 5 of cinnamon, and 5 of vanilla. The vanilla is optional. The recipe actually doesn't call for that, but I love it so much and how it blends together with these. So if you don't have the Madagascar Vanilla, which I highly recommend, but if you don't have this, that's fine. You're still going to get a really good scent out of it. So we'll measure these out. 3, 4, 5, 6, somewhere in there. And we'll put in our cinnamon. Oh, it smells so good. Just reminds me of that just warm winter scent. All right, 5 of those. And then we're just gonna give this a nice little toss around in here. You can see it turns into kind of a little bit, you got your scrub and emulsifier in there with the oil. And this is really good for your hands, for your feet, for your body, and it's just all around makes a perfect gift. This will fill, if you use the small jars, you'll get probably 2 out of this. If you use the next size up, I think they call them the jelly jar, you'll get probably a whole one and maybe a little bit extra. So let's kind of put this in here. Oh, and we will be providing you with labels. One important thing that I highly suggest, put your labels on here before you fill your jars. You don't want to get oil all over the labels and trying to put them in and all of that. So get your labels and your jar lids ready. And so we have a cute little label here for you to print out. And then we'll just go ahead and put some of this in here. Yeah, see, there's enough for at least 1 more. And then we'll just put our little label on there. And then you have yourself a perfect little gift, either for a stocking stuffer or to accompaniment, let's try that word again, to accompany another gift that you may be giving or a box that you're putting together for someone special. So I hope you enjoy this.